probably wants one that she can tear open.
Yeah, Malia.
Give her the tissue paper one.
Here.
What do you want? That's more. That's from Malia. Yeah, this is down here. Sit there. Yeah, she looks like she just woke up from a nap. I believe it. You have Winnie the Pooh jacket? Oh, the Winnie the Pooh jacket. Oh, a little skunk underneath, huh?
You're sure these will stink? What's in there?
Put your glasses.
Oh, let's go see what your present is.
Oh, it's handy.
Malia has a present.
It's just
Dana!
right size for your hands, too.
Dana!
Perfect size for you.
Chance, a lot of your presents are over there. You can start looking through them. This is another one of yours.
Go ahead, Malia. Go ahead and break it open. You know how to do it. You did it at your birthday.
What day is your birthday?
Like 22nd?
Oh.
24th?
Her and you and her have both birthdays.
Me and Chance, too. We have the same exact day.
You have a chance.
Oh, I want
to sleep. I want to stay in bed.
What is it?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Elmo.
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 Oh, boy.
Elmo.
Elmo. Oh,
We recognize Elmo.
Well, she says,
Is it Tickle Me Elmo or is it
says
a...
lift right arm,
It is.
left if facing you.
A little bit, yeah. Thank you.
And push button on belly. Well,
There might be a switch on the, look on the bottom of the feet. Is there a switch? Because I've got one at home and there's a switch on
Well, it
the
looks like there's supposed to be batteries in there.
Alyssa just opened
I don't know if she's got that.
yeah, she's like it.
Merry Christmas, thank you so.
It's all right. Get it on the next one.
Everything's still Merry Christmas.
Oh, look at that. It's Elmo.
Look at that!
Tickle Elmo!
Now you gotta do wrist work here.
She's scared.
Is she scared?
Thing scares me, too.
I know.
Because of that voice.
She didn't like that.
Pretty demonic little toy. It's red, too.
You might be a child's play.
Chucky.
Yeah.
Chance, open up yours.
Kevin's still afraid of Chucky. Doesn't like the Chucky movies.
You get
Okay, grab me something over there that's Malia's.
I don't know what it is.
Hey, Chance, you got Christmas
Bride
gifts. Open them
Chucky
up.
doesn't like any of them.
That was from Auntie Mel. This is yours.
Paper.
And Chad, hand me something else from
Ooh,
Malia.
Rubik's.
Did you see her run from it? Chad, did you see her run from it?
Yeah, I thought that was funny.
Dad, I want to learn how to do that.
I just taught you the Rubik's,
It's Auntie Mel and Uncle.
You know how to do the Rubik's?
Yeah,
I do.
he completes it.
I do.
Wow. I cheat and take it apart and put it back together.
I mix them up on purpose.
I take the stickers off.
Chance and Malia. Chance.
What?
This is you. This is my friend Malia.
Okay.